welcome to my channel. Glad to see you back. Today I have a big Dollar Tree haul for everyone. I have been on a quest to find a lot of the items that I've seen my other YouTube channels sharing, and I managed to find a lot of them, but still haven't found everything I want. Don't mind my voice today. I don't know why, but it sounds a little squeaky. I feel perfectly fine. So let's get started and dive into this quickly. So as not to make this video too long, I picked up some more of the Dollar Tree roses, and I'm going to be doing one of those heart wreaths. So I picked up a lot of pink, and I had some that I'd already purchased last week, so hopefully I'll have enough. If not, I will be making another Dollar Tree run at some point. Also picked up this cute box type basket, bin, I don't know what you call these, but it has that print that Dollar Tree has been carrying across the board on a lot of their other gift bags, wall decor, etc., etc. And so I picked that up and utilized it for my... I also picked up some of these cute little containers that you could put candy in and put into a Valentine's gift basket. Those are really cute. So I got 2 of those. They each have 3, so I have a total of 6. I picked up another one of those really pretty candle holders with a die cut heart, and this one's like in a blush color because I have like more of a hot pink, and then I have a clear. Also picked up this candle that has some pretty hearts on the top, and let me smell it. It smells really good. Let me show you the lid. And let me just take a look. I cannot see it. So let me look. It is... This is so light I can't even see what fragrance it is. But here, I'll just show it to you guys. But it does smell really good. I'll add that into the video somewhere. I picked up some of this to go with my wreaths, some in white. And it's like the little berries or beads or whatever you want to call it. I guess in Christmas you would have called them red berries, but I got some of the pink. Kind of wishing I would have bought a little bit more of this because it's 9 feet, but it goes really quickly. I also picked up some more of these little fairy garden candy flower things to go with my fairy garden sweet set. And I picked up 2 on accident, actually, because I didn't know I already had one, but that's fine because I'll find another use for it. But these little ceramic display, I don't know what you call those, like a plate, and it has the icing dripping off around the edges. And if you watched my Dollar Tree, I think it was the last one, it might have been the one before, you'll see that I had picked up a lot of the fairy garden sweet accessories. So now I have 2 of those. I also picked this up, which I have not seen before, and my daughter did DIY with it the other night, and I'm going to share that when I do my DIYs. But this is really pretty wire work wreath. I love this because it's already got a little greenery on it, and it's got this double, you know, layer that pops out, so it gives it a really good 3D dimensional look when you fill it with flowers. So I'm excited to see what that's going to look like. So I picked that up. I also picked these up because they seem to be really hard to find And I can do one of two things with this. I can just separate them and use them individually, or I can make a sphere. So this is a 3D wreath form. And you just have to put the spheres together and pull them out, and it will make this. I picked up one of the, or two of these larger wreath forms. Wreath ring, because I feel like they're also very hard to find and they go fast at Dollar Tree. Pick those up. I picked up this really pretty kind of rose gold copper candle holder. I wish I would have picked up another one, but I'll just use this in a little setting of 3, maybe on one of those tiered tray decor. So I got that. And these are so cute. I found these yoga cards for kids. And they have poses on the cards. And again, I've mentioned that I'm a dance teacher and I don't teach yoga, but I think these would be cute if we did a little yoga in one of our dance classes. And I mean, who doesn't need this right now, including our children? So pick those up. And let's see what else. Oh, this crayon, another crayon storage container, because I have a lot of crayons and I'm always looking for other things to put my crayons in. So the next items that I also picked up were beauty items, because I always have to make sure I get those items when I go to Dollar Tree as well. I went ahead and got some more Reach, and I have another bottle of it too. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up this hair mask by Bolero, and it's guava leaf, banana oil, and agave. So I'm really anxious to use this on my hair, and I probably will do that tonight, so I'll let you know. And I haven't smelled it yet. So let's see what it smells like, if I can get it open. Sometimes that's easier said than done. Well, it smells good. It does, it smells good. So I've got that. And then I also picked up this Bright Skin Serum with rosehip oil, and I read all the ingredients and they're really good ingredients. So it's got all natural ingredients. So I think it is a Rollerball. Take 5. So yes, this was a good score. Again, it's in the coffee shade that I already have. And then I went ahead and picked up another one of these e.l.f. brushes, because I picked up 2 or 3 so far and they're very nice. This is a large eyeshadow brush, and it's not e.l.f., I'm sorry, it's Wet n Wild. This is e.l.f. This is Wet n Wild. Do I have it the right way? No, I always have it the wrong way. All right, and I got that. I picked up this facial massager. It's battery operated. Haven't used that yet, but I see that there are a lot of people that use these, so I thought I might try that around my eyes for those fine lines, puffiness, all that stuff, because I do get a lot of that. Any more beauty items? No. So these are just some household, no, that's not household. I'll go through the household items first. Candy's not a household item, but I wanted to try these sour cubes. The flavors looked really good, exotic flavors. And I don't eat candy all the time, but every once in a while I like to grab a piece out of my candy jars. The other household items I picked up were one of these. I've been needing one because every time I want to, you know, brush something on to my steak or chicken. I don't have one, so I picked up one of these little miniatures because I like that. I got some cupcake holders in this pretty pink foil. I picked up this steakhouse seasoning. I'm going to try that. I haven't opened that yet either. Whoops. Okay. Dropping things now. Things are falling. But you guys know how I am. A little klutzy. I picked up these little scoopers for my candy containers because I have not been able to find the miniature ones. I also picked up these cupcake, what do they call them? Oh, it just says container. But these little cupcake holders, and they have a lid that goes on the top with a handle. And they have these type of closures, so I feel pretty secure in the fact that they won't fall off when you pick them up. I picked up these craft items Easter, because they are starting to get some Easter items in the store. These little carrots are adorable. I love these. They're so cute. And once again, I wish I would have bought another package of them, but I'm just so not thinking about Easter yet, so, you know. But aren't those cute? Word of the day, cute. My favorite word. I've got to try to use some other word because it's getting slightly overdone. So here are these little rabbits that you put into a floral display. They have the sticks, and they don't have to go in the floral display, but I thought they were adorable. Yes, very, very adorable. And then I got these table tennis balls, the plastic ones, to use in my gift basket. The one with the bathtub that I linked in the description for my last video, and I will link it again. It's by Bargain Bethany, and her channel is amazing. She's so creative. So I will link that because I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to video that DIY because it's not mine. I got these really, really sweet, and I say sweet because they have sprinkles on them, pink poster stickers that I will be able to use in one of my Valentine's DIYs because, again, everything will be sweet. It's going to be like the land of sweets. Those were a good score. And I went ahead and bought one of these hacksaw, sounds so violent, hacksaw. These for crafting. I see other crafters using them and they said they work pretty well, so I went ahead and picked that up. And of course it's just going to be for really, you know, it's not going to be for heavy wood. You know, that's probably not going to work. I picked up some birthday cards. I just kind of tried to stock up on a few of those, thinking ahead, because I always end up having to go there for just a birthday card. Okay, I really, really like these. And for my home office, and I especially like them because they all are, you know, astronomy based, not astrology, astronomy. And they are, I forgot what you call that when you move it, and I can't remember what you call that. But anyhow, there's this one that says thoughts, and it's got constellations on it. It's really hard to see these on camera. This one is like the Milky Way, I think. I don't want to point them directly at the camera. This one just says notes, and it's got all these beautiful stars behind it. Really pretty little pocket folders. And then this one has constellations on it as well. And I believe these might be some zodiacs. Yeah, it's really hard to get these with a ring light. Oh, a couple more. I haven't seen this in a while, so I picked up one of these plate dish racks. And I'm going to try using that in my dish cabinet and see if that is going to help with, if not, I'll find some use for it, another hack. I mean, you can use this for so many different things. You could use it for your charging station because, you know, your tablet, your laptop can fit in here. Not so much a phone, but definitely your bigger electronic items could fit in here. So I found another one of these. Remember that I found like 3 of them, so I now have 4, and I'm not even sure what I'm going to use them for, but just because they're such a good deal, because these are expensive, and I like that they're the big subway tiles. I have the small subway tiles from my backsplash in my kitchen, and I love that, but I also like these big ones, and I'm not sure what I'm using that on, but I have those, and then the rest of these are just kind of, you know, baggies, and these things are especially useful for leftovers. They're little, I don't know what they call them. It says couvertures. Oh, that's probably a different language. Sure Fresh. They're just like covers that you can put over your, cover-ups. Okay, got it. And these come in handy for your leftovers when perhaps you don't feel like trying to find a Tupperware container or plastic, I cannot talk today, plastic storage container. You just stretch one of these over the top of the bowl. And then just some Reynolds foil sheets that I always pick up, and these giant plastic slider bags, because those I use a lot for many different items. I can't think of anything in particular right now, but like maybe like signage for my studio to get it to the studio without it getting bent or ruined. You can put many types of items in here, like paperwork or anything, and just store it somewhere. Or if you have like a large amount of food that you want to store and it's really big, you can put in here. But that's it for today, and my next video that will be coming to you is going to be Valentine's DIY, and probably a compilation of about 5 different DIYs so that we can just get them out there and you guys can start working on them. But I hope that you will hit the subscribe button below, that you'll hit the like button, and that you will comment below and let me know what you have found. Tell me if there's anything that I maybe didn't see yet that you saw in my haul that I hadn't picked up, and I would love to see if I can try and find it. I also saw today on Instagram that on the Dollar Tree website you can purchase a 35-piece fairy garden set for $23. So definitely check that out, and I'm going to also leave a link in the description below. So again, it was so great to have you guys here with me today. I hope you're staying safe. I hope that your new year is starting out wonderful, and you know, just never lose hope that things are going to get better, because they will. They always do. So with that, I will say goodbye, and until next time,